INDI Advonates hosts 4th Annual Synergy and Sustainability Symposium in Bangalore focusing on scaling sustainable solutions. INDI Advonates, a leading impact-driven platform under the DevPro Trust, successfully hosted the 4th Annual Synergy and Sustainability Symposium on 24 April 2025 at Bangalore, bringing together over 200 change-makers from across the country under one roof. This year's theme was a unique one: amplifying impact, scaling solutions for a sustainable future. The flagship CSR event marked a bold call to action, spotlighting the urgent need for cross-sector collaboration to scale sustainable, inclusive, and innovative solutions to India's social challenges. The symposium served as a vibrant convergence of philanthropists, CSR leaders, social entrepreneurs, grassroots change agents, and public policy experts, all aligned in purpose to deepen collective impact and reimagine scale through equity and collaboration. Scale in social development isn't just about reaching numbers, it's about building connections, creating platforms, and empowering communities to...
Shilpa Shri from Colgate-Palmolive. I lead corporate communications, CSR and ESG. Congratulations to India Donates for conducting such a well-thought-out, well-organized event. I think the participants here have actually come with the motive of not only learning but collaborating and taking away, becoming better organizations as they go forward. The topics that were discussed today were very relevant to today's times. It looked not only at what the social sector can do today, but also how they can contribute for a larger cause, for not only for the nation, but also beyond. The fact that scale and impact have to go hand in hand, and philanthropists who are actually contributing have to get engaged with the communities and the sector professionals to ensure that there is better impact and a 360-degree view on what is being delivered. Thank you.
I'm Sashi Rajamani from Social Venture Partners. Happy to be here to kind of engage with 100 NGOs under one roof and with so many partners from the ecosystem, funding partners as well. And the energy has been extremely wonderful. In terms of the opportunities for collaboration also, there is lots of excitement that I can feel and see. I'm very happy to be part of such an event and hoping to contribute from our end as well.
Thank you.